today what we are going to be making is a spicy Thai chili chicken wings, and basically what I have done is I have already rinsed and patted my chicken dry, and I'm going to be taking these and I'm going to stick them in my mixing bowl. We're going to give this a good mix to make sure everything is evenly coated. Okay guys, so we have our sauce right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little chicken and I'm going to hold it between my forks and I'm going to roll it around and then set it on my plate. Here you have your spicy Thai chili chicken wings, and you can serve up any sides that you would like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!